This young actress and model, just starting to build her name and dreams, was found lifeless in a Quezon City condominium unit last November 16th.
Gabi nitong linggo, nang dalhin sa ospital ang 23 anyos sa freelance model na wala ng buhay. Ang dati niyang kasintahan pa umano ang nagsugod sa kanya sa pagamutan. Sa investigasyon, Sabado nang magkitang muli ang dating magkasintahan at nag-inuman sa kondo ng biktima. Kinabukasan, linggo, November 16, umuwi ang dalawa sa bahay ng lalaki. Alas 12 ng tanghali nang matulog umano ang dalawa at paggising ng lalaki ng alas 8 ng gabi, unresponsive na umano si Lima.
Her name was Gina Lima, only 23 years old. According to initial accounts, her ex-boyfriend noticed she wasn't breathing, panicked, and rushed her to the hospital, but by the time they arrived, doctors could only declare her dead on arrival.
So tinawag ni ex-boyfriend yung tatay niya at sinugod agad nila sa Quezon City General Hospital. So unfortunately, sabi ng attending physician doon na dead on arrival na yung victim natin. Ay yung mga kaibigan ng biktima nagsumbong sa station natin, agad-agad naman pinuntahan ng Station 1.
Then the internet did what the internet often does. It exploded. Within hours, posts began circulating from people claiming to be Gina's friends, directly pinpointing her ex-boyfriend, Ivan Cesar Ronquillo, as the reason behind her death.
Did you know that sometimes the most dangerous person in your life is the one who says, "I love you"? This is the chilling story of Gina Lima, a woman whose trust became the reason she never made it out alive.
They insisted she was beaten to death, posting screenshots and receipts to prove their point.
Ito, may mga tinuturo sila na sa laring, kundi ito daw. Nakalagay natin na, yan. Itong informasyon na to ay ginakita ko lang din sa Facebook or sa TikTok. So, yan, ito daw ho yung may gawa. So, ano ba na sense ko? Ano ba ang tunay na sense ko sa pagkamatay niya? Well, I was once a full-fledged demon. Kaya nga diba ang pangalan ko witchcraft. Nagbago lang ako kaya naging white faith healer ako. Nakilala niyo ako sa panggagamot, nakilala niyo ako sa pagtulong sa tao. From the darkness, and when I see one, I know one. So, makikita nyo na meron siyang dead eyes. Dead eyes. Tignan nyo halika kayo rito. Lapit kayo na konti. So model din siya. Yung ganyang tinginan, yung ganyang mata, yan hindi yan mata ng normal na tao na peaceful.
This is exactly what happens when you choose a partner nang hindi mo tinitingnan ng character, values, at intentions nila. Hindi porket sweet sila sa simula, hindi porket ma-PR, hindi porket marunong mapakita ang tao sa public, ibig sabihin mabuting tao na sila behind closed doors.
Kumalat naman online ang pahayag ng ilang mga kaibigan ni Gina na madalas daw nilang nakikita ito na may pasa, dahilan para maghinala ang publiko na may kinalaman ang dati nitong kasintahan sa kanyang pagkamatay.
One of the loudest voices online was a man previously linked to the controversial and mysterious death of a 23-year-old flight attendant in 2021, though later cleared by authorities, the notorious fame whore and clout chaser Valentin Rosales. In a DM screenshot now spreading everywhere, Rosales openly accused Ivan of killing Gina. With that, the online mob descended. Accusations, bashing, character assassination, all before a single autopsy report was released.
What happened next was fast, brutal, and unforgiving. By the time the violence stopped, Gina was motionless, her future stolen by the person she trusted most. But he didn't flee. He staged the scene, wiped surfaces, pretended it was an accident.
So, itong taong ganito, hindi na nila kailangan ng drugs or enhancement or epekto ng ano ba yung sa bodybuilding pre? Steroid. Hindi na nila kailangan ng mga ganun pang substitute para sila maging utak demonyo.
Then today, the story took an even darker turn. Ivan, just 24 years old, was found dead in the very same condo where his ex-girlfriend was discovered days earlier. He was rushed to Quezon City General Hospital, but doctors failed to revive him. La Loma Police Station Commander Lieutenant Colonel Jose Luis Aguirre later confirmed in an interview with the media that Ivan died by suicide inside his own home.
Hindi ka talaga dapat bilhin, pre. Sobrang dami pa naman babae. Ako, tol. Nagdalito na lang ako mag-ina ba kasi? Sino mas mong babaero sa aming dalawa, guys? Partida, bagong gupit ka lang ngayon, bukas handa ka sa akin, pre.
Hours after, the initial autopsy findings on Gina finally came out, and the results told a very different story from what social media had been spreading. According to the medico-legal report, there were no non-fatal external injuries on Gina's body. The bruises seen on her thigh were not the cause of death. Instead, the certification listed heart congestion and congested and edematous lungs.
Ibig sabihin, non-fatal, yung mga nakita pong pasa doon sa kita niya is hindi po yun fatal. So, kailangan antayin din po natin yung resulta ng toxicology examination para dun sa iba pang cause of death para makita ko. Kasi dito nga po sa initial is hindi po fatal. So,
this directly contradicted the flood of posts from so-called influencers, netizens, and supposed friends claiming Ivan beat her to death. As for Ivan, the tragedy becomes even heavier. After being demonized online and linked without evidence to Gina's death, he quietly deactivated his Facebook account. But on the night of November 18th, just hours before he died, he reactivated it briefly.
Yan nandito sa tapat ng bahay namin. Ginagawa mo dito? Ginagawa mo dito?
ikaw mag-drive!
Pupunta ka dito ako kapag driving mo.
Ikaw mag-drive!
He posted photos and videos from happier days with Gina, including a clip of her using a nebulizer. He also wrote a heartbreaking message addressed to her in Filipino, expressing grief so deep it read like a goodbye. Netizens now refer to it as his final note.
How are you? Good. Alam mo, may pagkakulang.
Uy, how are you?
Hindi, no. Kailan mag-yan. Marirealize din ko.
Hindi ko ito ako, bro.
Ay nga, pero ano, dahil ko ito, hindi ka rin sa poko.
Alam mo, kasama tayo eh.
Ha? Bakit yan ba yun? Ako nga nagsabi ko, alam po, good morning. Ako lang pinasin yan, ikaw di ka naman sasakon na.
Hindi siya.
Eh?
Muna yung araw nun pag pinantigil siya kasi ako pinakagawa ng anak ko po.
Alam mo nga lang tatay, ako yung may tatay ako pinapuri niya.
Ako pinakagawa ko ng anak ko po.
What's even more alarming, and now in need of official investigation, are Ivan's claims and photos stating that Gina's friends allegedly physically attacked him just hours before he took his life. His last uploaded photo shows scratches on his face. He named the person he believed responsible Kevin Tan YG. Ivan wrote, "Kay Kevin Tan YG, maraming salamat sa ginawa mo sa mukha. Justice na rin bahala sa'yo at maraming salamat sa pagkalat ng maling impormasyon."
Parang dapat tumalis na siya eh. Dapat tumalis na siya ngayon. Ha? Maririnig niya yung sound trip natin.
Oo, ano. Magagalit siya.
Hindi.
Ay, marinig niya.
Yung sound trip natin.
Di pa ilan mo lang. Ano mo, tatay pa?
Oo, takit mo ka lang na mag-aaway kami gago. Hindi ka mag-aaway.
Hindi, Emil, kasi ano. Alam mo na wala na ako ng tatay.
That final post was uploaded in the early hours of November 19th, moments before his death. 2 young lives gone, one truth buried in a flood of speculation, and an entire case now warped by online hysteria.
Alam mo yun. Alam mo, sulitin mo na. Alam mo ba kung pumiti kami sa papa ko, sinikis-nikis sa pizza.
Hindi mo kahit kasi.
Bagay. Hindi, like ano lang.
Nakikis ko siya.
Hindi, ay pa. Ano tawag sa kanya? Tay? Tay? Ano tawag sa kanya? Wala akong narinig kanina may lang.
Bakit tayo?
Sabi mo tay?
Di ba pagkano ko sa'yo, yung lumabas ako,
Yun, nililig.
nasa cellphone mo sa akin. Cellphone mo, uy.
Narinig mo yun.
Ito, tubigan mo. Nagkala mo ng tubigan. Tubigan mo. Ano yun? Wow. Tubigan mo.
Pag ano, sunod tayo dun sa ano.
Mga matuho ko dito, huwag mo akong dalhin sa mga ito.
Gawin na naman sila doon.
Anong pakailan ko sa kanila?
Yun masaya lang yung baby sila. Yan din.
Wala akong sumunay pag kumilin dito sa mga kasama niya.
So, okay. Lapit lang kasi. Pwede
Anong pakailan ko sa kanila? Kumain pa ko.
maganda mo yung life. Pagpatingin yung life mo. Over. Ayun ka talagang tatay mo.